This is Morgan McCray, a student at Oakland Catholic High School and a Remake Learning Days Youth Ambassador. Remake Learning Days 2022 starts soon, and I hope you'll join me at the Artist Talk and Sensebound Songwriting Workshop with singer-songwriter and producer INEZ, hosted by YMCA Lighthouse Project on May 12th from 5 to 7 p.m. The Artist Talk and Sensebound Writing Workshop is a unique opportunity for students to learn about using their senses to create lyrical imagery and learn some insider tips from INEZ. As a Remake Learning Youth Ambassador, I'll be following up with a story recapping the event. I hope to speak one-on-one with INEZ to discuss why engaging youth in these workshops is important. To learn about the YMCA Lighthouse Project, please visit pittsburghymca.org/lighthouse. The Artist Talk and Sensebound Songwriting Workshop with singer-songwriter and producer INEZ is just one of hundreds of free events running during Southwestern Pennsylvania's Remake Learning Days celebration from May 12th to May 23rd. Learn more at remakelearningdays.org.